So I wanted to give a little tip since I have to repaint this bathroom anyways, and I see this while I'm house hunting for my own house because we're trying to move. It's a huge pet peeve of mine because I am an artist and I do paint my house a lot because sometimes I like to, just like people like to rearrange their furniture, right? Huge pet peeve, right, is when you don't have straight lines, and I'm going to show you a trick on how to always have straight lines, okay? Hold on. So the downstairs bathroom needs a little work. I had to repaint the baseboards. We had to add baseboards, that's what happened in here, so that's the project right now, and I'll show you a little tip on how to get clean edges. This was rough because I just freehanded it the last time I did it, but I'm going to do it correct this time. Okay, now I have a little bit of a problem, that hole. This is the project. Now, I discovered this hole. I did not know about it. My husband did not tell me this. I found it hidden behind the mirror. Yeah, that fan is automatic. It's gonna happen a lot. So, I didn't have a thing. I call everything a thing, so I found a cardboard thing. I just cut it from a box. This is how we fix this. You cut it to size. It'll fit perfect, okay? And then we're gonna tape over it and do our thing. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna wait for this area to dry before I can even attempt to, sand it down, level it out a little bit better, and then paint it. So in the meantime, I'm going to tape everything, and I will not make you watch that. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna make you join me on my journey anyways. Sorry for the annoying fan. I know I said I was picky about some things, but right now I'm being a little lazy because I didn't want to touch the bathroom floor. Yeah, I just mopped it. Should be taping it. But again, I didn't want to touch it. Still a bathroom floor, okay? Being a little lazy. Sorry for, it's getting hot in here. Decided I want you to join me on my journey because I found a little buddy. I'm in a predicament. He's just a wee little spider. Sorry, I don't know how shaky that was. I know you've been in this predicament before. Do I paint it? Kill it, squash it, set it free? I am not the only one. Okay, let's paint. I don't have to be perfect here. I can be messy here. Because this is our bottom coat, and I'll explain that later. You have to laugh. You have to laugh. The reason why I wasn't gonna touch the floor, I just had to clean the toilet a little bit more on the outside. Listen, that's why. But this is what happened. This is why I needed to tape. It's the reason I made this video, because how I have this pet peeve, but I didn't want to touch the floor because it's a bathroom floor. I had to clean something. Mazicky. Okay, so I finished painting that. If you're new to this channel, it started off with working out. We're healthy living style, okay? It's chaos here. It's everyday chaos. We do all kinds of things. We create things. We do art, because art is part of taking care of yourself. Taking care of yourself is part of healthy living. So is working out. Go check out my Janice Lamb in the Bedroom workouts. I replaced the whole gym, but this is not that video. This video is a tip on how to achieve straighter lines. Right now, I chose the bathroom. Kind of mad that I chose the bathroom to do this tip on, but we're focusing on the ceiling, okay, not the floor, because the floor was disgusting, as we just discussed. I found something icky, and there was a reason why I didn't do that on the bathroom floor, but tape your floors, always. Because I already had some regrets. But anyways, this video is about a trick on having a clean cut on your ceiling or on the cracks of your walls, okay? Today is the focus of the ceiling, and we're gonna get to that in just a second, but I just finished the prep work on that, And now I have to go tape all the ceiling and everything else, and that's where the trick comes in. So stay tuned. Hey guys, checking in here. Little hack, getting into these corners. Just cut a straight line. Okay, get off, get off. All right, so back to getting this done. It's getting hot. This is probably the most annoying part of doing the prep work is the taping. The most satisfying when you're taking it off, but the worst when prepping. Okay, we got the ceiling done. It's hot in here. I even did a wardrobe change. It is too hot. We got to do the baseboards and around the door frame. And then we can paint. Okay, now we're done prepping. We're ready to start painting. This is where the magic happens, okay? You're done taping. Now, you're gonna take your base coat color. Now, I know we said we're gonna do the ceiling, we're still doing the ceiling, that's also the prep, but also right here on our baseboards, this is the baseboard color. So I don't care what kind of tape you use or what kind of tape they say to use and how sticky it is and how clean it will come off. No, it won't. It will still bleed. And this is the color you want it to bleed first. So you're gonna put this color on first, because that's our base color for our baseboards. You're gonna put that on first, and then you're gonna put whatever color you originally wanted for your walls. You're gonna put that on directly after. And I like to give myself like this much space in between, so that right after I get done, and normally I do 2 coats. So you do the whole edge, all of the edges first, and then do a second cut of it, and then go and take your tape off. And then you'll have the cleanest cut ever, okay? Because then it won't have time to sit there and dry and then peel off your paint. All right, so that's the trick. That's what you're gonna see. We're gonna time lapse it so it's not slow. And we're gonna get going. It's drying a little bit because of the technique I'm doing, so I can go ahead and do this now because I don't want it to dry all the way. Are you watching this very clean edge happening before your eyes? Okay. Yes, that's nice. That's beautiful. Hey guys, we all know basil is great for cooking, but did you know it can help with mental fatigue, cramps, even ear complaints? Maybe you don't got a green thumb, but guess what? I got you covered. I got an oil for that. Click on the link below. Okay, checking in on progress over here. Got the top half going. I already started taking off the tape over here. Now that's about as much space as I suggest if you're using a roller. But since we're doing a different technique, go to where you don't have to get on a stool anymore, because that's annoying. Kind of using just paint that I had left over from other projects, and I'm just combining it, making a storm-looking effect. Just doing crisscrosses. Basically, you want lights and then darks, and then doing like shadow work. have like a green color and then a dark blue. And then you want to get those light colors. Basically, you just go however you want, make your own little patterns. Can't really go wrong with this technique. Just fan it out. Blend it, fan it. You can blend it as much as you want or as little as you want. The more you blend, the more suede look it looks. All right, I finished. It's 8 p.m. We started this at 1:30. Yeah. All but this patch because it's not all the way dry yet for me to finish sanding. And I got a little boo-boo right there, but that's okay. It's okay. But now, and Levi's here to join us.
Hi.
So now we get to pull off the tape. I'm just gonna say one thing. This was a horrible bathroom to choose to do the video on of like perfect things because before I had to really just like quickly put this bathroom together because the tile guys were coming when we first did this, so I had to do it really fast and I was lazy and I didn't tape the top. So it shows the blue because we painted the blue and then we sprayed the ceiling and it was not a good idea because I didn't tape. And that's why I did this video. So here's the satisfaction of pulling the tape off. Time out, Levi.
Oh, I messed up.
Not yet. Let me put it in position. Hold on.
Oh, I messed up.
Whoops. Okay, here. Let me just, okay, now pull from here. Go ahead, I got that. Oh, this tape's ridiculous. I know. It's stuck on you. Nice, clean edge. Oh, beautiful. That is what I'm talking about.
Technical difficulty.
It's stuck on your thumb. Right. It doesn't. It sticks good. Woo! Shoo-wee. That's nice. That's a nice clean line. Alright. Looking good.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, unfortunately, the tape took off some of my paint. Arrgh. But other than that, the lines turned out clean. The bathroom is done. Oh, yes. See, that was the mistake from before, when we did not do good. Okay, here we go. Stupid fan. Nice, clean lines. You're welcome.